Good afternoon. I got a gorgeous 2016 BMW 5 Series. It is all-wheel drive. I believe it's called X-Drive. This one's a really nice gray color, and you'll see the interior. It's a really beautiful brown leather interior. I'll show that later on in the video. This one's got a lot of options. We'll just look in the back here. We'll see park sensors and backup camera, but it's got, even for a BMW, it's got a lot more options that I've seen on the average BMW. Looks really good. It's got Bridgestone all-season tires on all four tires. They're all in really good shape as well. Of course, it does have moonroof. All right, let's have a look at the front seat from the back. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. Well, yeah, you can. It's brown. It's a beautiful brown leather interior. Got a big nav screen there. Let's check out some of the options. Oh, it's got like brown leather on this side too, on the door panel. Got a full set of WeatherTech floor mats, which are really nice. There's the moonroof on the inside. Let's close the door. I'm going to drive this thing forward so I can video it in the shade so you can see a little better. Alrighty. The steering wheel. Let's go to the left here. It looks like it's got a bunch of safety features. To me, I see lane departure warning, blind spot alerts, and probably a collision alert. I have to Google that. Of course, it's got like Bluetooth and all that stuff, paddle shifters. This one's got 64,000 miles. Yeah, and it's got like a driving aid there. I think it's lane departure warning and stuff like that. Got a really nice big nav screen. Does have a comfort key, so you can push to start. You can unlock the vehicle with your key in the pocket. So here's the nav. Let's throw it in reverse. Has camera, has sensors in the back and the front, so that's nice. Throw it back. Yeah, this one's in really good shape. Has heated seats. All the buttons are in really good shape, not scuffed up or anything like that. Pop that open. What do we got? Just two cup holders. Okay. Open this up. Yeah, we got USB and aux inputs in there. I don't even know what that's for. Here's your command center for your nav and the radio and all that stuff. Yeah, this is a beautiful brown leather interior. Let's go check out the back seats. Gorgeous. Very roomy in here. It's definitely bigger than a 3 Series. Oh, it's got heated seats in the back too. That's cool. Got the trunk lid open. It does have a power trunk lid, which is, I have a mixed opinion on these. I don't understand why you can't just open and close it. Maybe on a big SUV that makes sense. But hey, it's a Beamer. Yeah, these are really nice Bridgestone all seasons. They definitely have a lot of life on them too. Yeah. All right, let's pop the hood open. This is I believe it's a 4-cylinder turbo or twin turbo. Yeah, so it's a beautiful unit. Great looking, all-wheel drive sports sedan. Alrighty, thanks for watching the video. I hope this helped out. Take care.